Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize a website on Wix for vintage and collectibles business easy and quick. So as we know, Wix is a type of website that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know how to code. It offers various tools to design, add content and customize your site. So first of all, start from here, build with Wix editor. Okay, so here you can start with chat AI, so it's gonna help you to build your site and customize it. So also you can go to basic setup. So let's try from here to go from basic setup. So as you see here, you have to enter your business type or your website type, vintage. So here you can select your business type. Okay, okay, I'm gonna choose this one. Enter your business name. Okay, let's continue. Do you already have an online store? Choose if you already have one or not. What would you like to sell? Physical product or digital product? So this is depends on your business. Where would you like to sell? Online store or your mobile app or marketplaces and social media? Now let's continue to dashboard. Now let's go to design the site. So how would you like to design a website? You can let Wix create a site for you or customize a design template. So let's get started from here. Here you can enter your informations, your name, your email, your address, your phone, and also you can add social link. Now you can pick a theme you like, pick a theme at your business, so you can try your best to make your site look attractive, to attract customers to your website. Okay. Here you can choose your favorite homepage design. So just wait a few seconds. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one. Here you can add pages to your site if you want. Now wait a few seconds for preparing your homepage design. Now your site is up and running, so you can go to editor to complete design. So as you see here, this is your editor page. So here we have elements, you can add elements. So first thing here we have the text. You can customize the theme text, the titles, the paragraphs and the text mask. Also here we have you can upload images or import images. Also we have the button section, so you can customize the themed buttons, text and icon buttons, the icon buttons. Also here we have the decorative, we have the shapes, the themed lines, the basic shapes, rows, horizontal lines, vertical lines. So that's it. If you want to add something new, just click here, add section, and you can select what kind of sections you want to add on your homepage. Here you have customize your site design, so you can customize it. You can change the color theme, the text theme, the page background, the page transitions, whatever you like. So let's move on to design, complete design. So here we have first section, we have the header section. So you can change if you want to change the site name, you can manage the horizontal menu. So let's move on, nothing special here. Let's move on to the next section. So as you see here, this is the welcome section. So you can change the section background, you can change the strip background, and also you can change the image if you want. So also you can change the title. If you want to regenerate another title, just click on it, create text, and select the type of the section. Okay. You can make it more shorter than this if you want. So let's move on to the next section. Here this is the about section, so you can regenerate another AI text if you want. Like the same thing as normal, just select the type of the section and it's gonna be regenerated. So that's it. Also you can change the strip background, the color. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one. Let's move on. So here you can manage products if you want. Just click on it and you can add new products or create your product. So you can select physical product or digital file. um, let's move on. Wait a few seconds. So here you have to add the title of your product. You can add images or videos. Also you can add product information, the name, the description. You can customize the price and options. So you can customize the discount or the sale price. Also you can customize the inventory and the shipping. So after you're done, save this place and go back to complete design. Okay, so here the same thing, nothing special, just the feature section. Just you can regenerate another text here. So let's move on. Okay, so you can also change the image or edit it. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one. So this is the last section here, the footer section. Just enter your email and the company name for the copyright. So before you publish your website, you can go to the preview, or if you wanna save this page here, you can save it. So after you're done, now you are in preview mode. After you're done, you can go back to editor or publish your website. Now you can view the site if you want. So that's it. Now you can start selling, you can start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end and see you in the next video.